Grande, Arizona. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, really cool little theater right here. It's an old movie theater, and it's kind of, here, let me flip it around, show you guys the vibe here. It's kind of got this really kind of cool vibe happening here. It's really neat. There's a place back in California we play in Hemet called the Hemet Theater. Much like this, it's an old movie theater that they've converted into concert halls. So what I want to talk about in today's lesson is, or in today's video, is pacing oneself. Okay, and in order to do that, I'm going to kind of do a backlog of what I've been doing the last couple of weeks. I want to sit somewhere where I don't look like it's a mugshot. We have not loaded in yet, and so it's going to be a minute before we do because I haven't got the PA in yet. We're kind of early. So anyway, I'll talk about pacing yourself, and here's why. So, and I'm going to kind of go backwards a little bit and tell you the stuff that I've been doing and what we have coming forward so that you kind of get a gist of it. So last week was NAMM week. NAMM is a big convention at the Anaheim Convention Center. Every January, NAMM stands for the National Association of Music Merchants. Now, it's really changed since COVID, and it's really changed, the internet's changed a lot of stuff, and NAMM is not what it used to be, right? It's kind of it's still a viable thing, but not for everybody. And most of the companies that I endorse, they had a presence there, but they didn't have booths and whatnot. So last Thursday, I'm a Gretsch artist. Gretsch Drums had a artist hang at the Burbank office, which they call the Gretsch Lounge, and all the artists went up there and we kind of hung out, did the NAMM thing. It was a great time, a lot of fun. We really enjoyed ourselves, and then that was on Thursday, and then Friday and Saturday we had NAMM, and really it's just miles and miles and miles of walking around and shaking hands and kissing babies and saying hi to friends and stuff like that. It's a great hang, but it's a lot of, it's a long walk and a good workout, I guess, more than anything. Then we left, we had Sunday off, then the band left on Monday. We played last night, we played tonight, and actually played tonight. We play Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We have Monday off. We play Tuesday. We have Wednesday off. We play Thursday, and we go back home Friday. We've got 4 days off. Then we come back out this way, and we have another 2 full weeks of shows. Same thing, where we're playing pretty much every night. And then we go back home. We have we have one night to sleep on our beds, and then we fly to Florida, play a show in Miami, and we fly back home, and we have the last week of February off. Now, the reason I'm telling you all the previous stuff, today's stuff, and what is happening in the future is that's what this video is about pacing yourself, right? Taking time to take a breather. If you find yourself in a band, you find yourself on the road, you find yourself doing some touring, it will wear you out. And with this tour coming on the heels of NAMM, I had 3 days of just walking around, a lot of walking, a lot of, going all over the convention center and then coming out on tour. The road takes its toll on you. And so that's why, like a lot of my videos that I talk about being on the road, I talk about, getting some exercise, going for a walk, watching your diet, getting some rest, because I'm telling you, especially at my age, none of us in this band are spring chickens. We've been doing this for a minute or two, and so because of that, you've got to get your rest. You've got to pace yourself, and you want to kind of, when you have 5 minutes to sit down, just like we're doing right now. The guys are the sound crew's loading in the PA system. They're loading in their stuff. I already had lunch. I just want to sit down and chill for a minute, do this video. And again, just kind of, keep everything kind of mellow, because we got a performance tonight. Load in, set up, sound check, gig, pack it up, load it out, pack it up, drive back to the Airbnb, and it's a hour-and-a-half drive, so we've got 3 hours of travel time today. So pace yourself, right? Pace yourself. Make sure that you know, at the sake of sounding, really old, hydrate yourself, get plenty of rest, good nutrition, try to stay away from greasy spoons, go for a walk, work out. I've got one of those, rubber, they're like a band or workout resistance bands. I use those in the Airbnb or in the hotel. They work great for fly dates. Put them in my bag. Those will be going to Miami with me. So again, that's kind of my thing in today's video. Also, for those of you who are watching this on YouTube on the Road Rash and Band Aids playlist. Sorry, they're setting up, they're starting to bring in the PA, and I'm trying to figure out if the guys are ready to unload the trailer yet, and they're not, so that's why I seem a little bit distracted. Anyway, if you watch this on Road Rash and Band Aids, I realize that I am vertical and not horizontal because what I'm doing with this run, doing this video diary, is I'm going live on Facebook. I know my subject matter I'm going to talk about, then I pull it down and I re-upload it to YouTube for musicians, young musicians, drummers, and whatnot like that. So I'll be doing another one every day of this run. So all in all, I think there's going to be 15, 20 videos. I'm going to do one at every show. If you want some coaching or you want some lessons, reach out to me at my website, bartrobley.com. If you're interested in the business end of things, check out my book, Drum Up Your Business. It is available on my website, bartrobley.com, and the digital version is available on Hudson Music. So that's it for today. Tomorrow, there'll be another one, and tomorrow I will be in a different location. I don't even know where it is. I know we'll be here in Arizona, though. I know that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope this is educational for you. Hope it's helpful to you. And you know what? If you're watching this on, it doesn't matter if it's on Facebook or YouTube, I would love to hear your comments. If you're a drummer, you're in a touring band, you're a guitar player, whatever, you're in a touring band, I'd love to hear the stuff you go through. I'd love to hear the stuff that you're doing while you're on the road to make it work, to make it happen. Again, this is I think in total on this run it's like 20 shows. So it's it's a workout, man. It's a workout. And anyway, one more look at the theater here. One more look. I think it's a very cool old converted movie theater. Not real big. I think it's I think they said it's 200 seats, and there's a balcony and stuff too. So I think they said it was sold out. So tonight will be a fun show. And never played here before, but like I said at the beginning of the video, it reminds me of the Hemet Theater in Hemet, California. I think it's the same production team that actually hires us to do these gigs. So anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching. If you're watching this on YouTube and you made it this far, please like and subscribe. If you're watching it on Facebook, go to my YouTube channel, Road Rash and Band Aids, like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I sound like a real YouTuber, don't I? Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.